Have you guys ever wondered whether all of these make money online videos actually work? I mean, we've been seeing all of these videos online, circulating at YouTube. There's so many of them, right? So many of them, too many of them even. And the question begets, do they actually work or not? Are they true? Are they fake? Are they a scam? Are they legit or not? Right? So all of these questions, right? I'm pretty sure most of you guys, including me, is all happening in our heads right now because we're seeing all of these big numbers, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be attempting this video right here. Enough talking, and let's do this.
This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free to use. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate.
Alright, so with that being said, we are over here at zoombucks.com. So over here, we're gonna be able to unlock free cash and gift cards by doing surveys, offers, and more. Right? Join the millions of users, enjoying free rewards and Zoombucks since 2012 and beyond. Right? So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up first for an account as usual. Alright, and then afterwards, I'm gonna get back to you guys. And just before that, guys, alright, you guys already know, I can't possibly just take the video's words for it, right? I'm gonna go on to Trustpilot. That's gonna be the most trustworthy website that everybody can count on. Alright, so here we are at Trustpilot, and we are at the Zoombucks side of things. So over here, we have like 2.2k worth of reviews, and it's rated 4.3. So it's not too bad, right? It is excellent, right? So there's most definitely a good sign for a start. And then over here, see what reviewers are saying. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, and then we have 1 star, right? Obviously the 5 stars, right, it's just gonna be all sunshine and rainbows, right? They're gonna be saying like, oh, maybe the surveys or the videos is all working well, and then they're getting rewarded. So those are all good things, right? But what I want to pay attention to would be the 1 stars, because that would be the reflex that we gotta look out for. So we should pay more attention to the 1 stars. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on 1 star right here. Whoa, alright, so just like updated literally 5 minutes ago. And over here it says, this scammer syndicate still exists. Who? So it exists who already frozen and suspend hundreds ID member. Don't play in this platform. Man, oh man. Alright, next one. 2 days ago, right? Just 2 days ago, I never got my reward. I redeemed my points for a PayPal reward of $3 on 19 February, and they tell me that I will have to wait for an email from Tremendous, and that email never came. So we are on March, and the support don't tell me nothing, then keep waiting for the email. I wasted my time, and I believe that money will never be sent. Guys, it's most definitely not a good sign, man. I do not want to hear that. I do not want to be wasting my time. I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't want to waste your time as well. Alright, so let's go for one more review. It's a request not to use and fall for this scam. You will only waste your time and they will not credit you any rewards. If I had an opportunity, I would freeze all of their bank accounts. They are scamming innocent people. They are beggars. When they see you earned some money, they'll ban your account. Hey man, that's not right, man. That's not right. Zoombucks, if you're doing that, that's not right. Alright, so with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up first, and let's just see that whether all these reviews are legit or not as well. Alright, so I'm over here at the offer walls. So I guess these are the, the companies, I guess, that we can do surveys with, or maybe do some form of activities in order to make money online. So I'm just gonna go ahead with Lootably right here. Alright, so we're at Lootably side of things. So we can see over here, right, there are a lot of different kind of activities or applications over here that we can actually potentially make money online. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find the survey side of things, and you can see over here most of them are actually, I believe, they're games, right? They're games meant to be played, and then if you were to play those games, we can earn money online. Yeah, so I think that's the idea. But for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead with BitLabs survey right here. Alright, so right here, the survey side of things, we're at the offer wall from bitlabs.ai. So I'm gonna go ahead with one of the surveys. Let's just go with something short, which is 6 minutes right here, and then wish me luck, guys. Alright, bad news, guys. So I was attempting the 6-minute survey earlier on that I shared with you guys, and after completing the survey, I'm being faced with this. We found a better match. We are sorry, but this researcher seems to be looking for a very specific target audience for the survey. We have now discovered surveys that align better with your interests and preferences. Select another survey. Alright, so with that being said, right, I don't think I'm being qualified to attempt the other survey that I was doing earlier on. So this is the thing about surveys, right? If you do not match their requirement, right? If you do not match their criteria, you may or may not be rewarded with their points, right? So we have to be very careful and be very selective with the surveys that we choose from, because even though, let's just say that I might be wrong, right? Maybe out of 20 questions, right? Maybe for example, we answered 19 questions correctly, and if we were to not answer the last question correctly, if we answer it incorrectly, right, we might potentially be kicked out of the survey and we will not be rewarded with any points. And with that being said, what does that mean? We will not earn any money, right? So that's a bad thing, right? That's a bad thing, and there's one risky thing, because we are obviously investing our time and effort into it. And after all of these surveys, all of the time being invested, right? And then if we are not being selected, that's not a good sign, man. That's not a good sign, and that's most definitely a waste of time for us. Alright, so I'm just gonna try another survey over here. Wish me luck. Hopefully this time around I am chosen for the survey and I can at least earn some points over here. So I'm gonna go with this one, another 6 minutes, and I can potentially earn 42 points right here. Oh my god, guys, this is not a good sign, man. Check this out. So my computer's antivirus software actually picked up something from the website, and apparently it is being blocked due to riskware. So I mean, obviously I can continue to this website, right? But obviously I'm not going to do it, because it's most definitely strongly recommended for me to not continue, and I might be putting my safety at risk by visiting this site. So at least for this survey, I'm not going to go ahead with it. I'm going to try another survey once more. Alright, third time's the charm, right? I hope so. Alright guys, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and try the one that gives the highest amount of points. So I'm going to go with this, points 442. Alright man, just after 2 questions, just 2 questions in, and I'm already disqualified. I'm already disqualified just after 2 questions. So over here, as you can see, as per usual, they found a better match. They are sorry, because the researcher seems to be looking for a very specific target audience for the survey. This is apparently the same response that I had from the first survey as well. So this is not a good sign, guys. This is most definitely not a good sign. So I've already tried like 3 surveys, so should I try another one? I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try another one for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the highest one, which is 432 points. Alright, I'm qualified to start this survey, so let's go ahead. Guys, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Once again, the website is being blocked due to riskware. As much as I want to earn money with this method right here, but we have to be smart about it as well, right? We cannot be too desperate, right? We do not want to, jeopardize our entire computer's health, right? We only have one computer, right? I don't know about you guys, but I only have one computer, and this computer is pretty expensive, right? I do not want anything to happen to it, right? So I just have to be smart about it, and I'm just gonna go back. Alright guys, that's it. Once again, I think this website, Zoombucks, doesn't work once again. So I've already attempted the surveys, and obviously when I got selected, right, there is a virus, right? There's some form of virus that's being detected from my antivirus software, and obviously I'm not going to go ahead with it because it's obviously not safe. I don't want my PC to be infected with anything. So with that being said, as far as for the surveys go, I do not think it works, man. I do not think it works. I do not recommend to you guys, because obviously one thing is that whenever I see anything that my antivirus software picks up, right, there's immediately a big red flag from the website. Alright, so with that being said, I don't recommend you guys to do this website, and on to the next one.
But wait, there's more.
Hold up, before you guys go, if you guys want a free 1372 digital product ideas list, if you guys want to start your first online business, and if you guys do not know what to do, but you guys want to start something, but maybe you guys don't know what kind of idea you guys want to pursue into, you guys don't know what kind of niche you want to go into, but I'm pretty sure that most of you guys actually have some kind of a passion or interest or skills in whatever it is that you're interested in, right? So go over to the first link at my description box down below. I'll share with you guys over here, which is the digital product ideas list over here. And if you guys see something that is interesting and you guys think that you guys have the expertise to carry on to do it, you guys can then head over to the entrepreneur playbook right here, where I will be sharing with you guys from start to finish, from A to Z, anything and everything that is required for your online business journey. Alright, so click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll see all of you guys inside for free.